her this morning, and she was beauty to my eyes. I asked her where she from, she tell me in the topics. She asked me what's my name, I tell her I am Money. And I said, girl, tell me what's your name. She tell me that her name is Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica. Smile for me, Jamaica. And never you cry.
Morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's a Monday morning here in Jamaica. I'm up. I've been up from 8. Got the missus off to work. There was a car accident nearby where I live, so I had to check it out to see what's going on because I kind of hindered the whole taxi thing. Just pray that everyone is okay. It was a somewhat bad accident, no lives lost, but injuries. So that's a good thing about it. Injuries, but no lives lost. Once you have lives, you have everything. So, good morning, everyone. Good morning, Jamaica. Good morning, the world. Much love worldwide, like Dr. We always say. And I'm glad to be here yet another day, feeling blessed and feeling happy just to be able to do a live stream again. So much love, everyone. So, start my way complete. We got Helix on the way. I'll be smoking until he's here. So, what's up, everyone? Oh, I am doing wonderful today, Dr. Wiggler. I really have to be thankful. This morning when I went out, trying to put messages on a cab, heard that there was an accident up the road, so I put on a cab, went up the road and saw that it was a BMW and another vehicle, head-on collision, airbags deployed. Through further inspection by myself, basically saw that there was blood, so someone got cut. Not major injuries, but someone got cut, somebody got injured. Hopefully it's not bad. If you don't get winter in Jamaica, do you get winter illnesses? We still have the cold and the flu. Like when it gets colder, there are people that will get a little sniffle, but they don't got no major illnesses. No snow, no snowman outside. I said that there's snowman or snowfall in Jamaica. I'm done. I leave. And the LMG for real, actually. So, well going everybody. How is your day? How is your morning? I know it's about, I think it's about 3 or 4 where LMG is. Also with Creepy Crawler. But much love wherever you are. This is my wake and bake. I just realized says chilling. So bless up to everyone. You need to start moving to, okay, every winter, yeah, you can move to Jamaica. No snow, don't have to worry about freezing. 3 p.m. 3 p.m. Yeah, so it's about 2. Yeah, you guys have 5 hours ahead of me. Not bad. They don't know, and I said they don't know. Oh, it's freezing. I gotta understand why I don't mind staying in Jamaica during the winter. During that winter time, nah man, if I'm being cold here, imagine if I was in like the States or in the UK, I would not go outside. I would literally stay inside, snuggled up with a fire. Instead of being at the fireside, nah, where's Randy? I'm sitting down in that place, be like, yeah man, keeping it airy and warm. Man's never hot.
But me just a go and put on the show, cause they don't know, yeah. They don't know, they see me smile.
Oh, come to the. That is true. Come to UK for the winter and never feel cold again in Jamaica. That's the thing. I may die. I may die. As soon as I step off the plane, frozen.
Righteous music, we putting it on the beat, but nothing righteous but all I said. If you don't know hard life, then you don't know life. Yeah, but my papa just call me poverty, make him a screw. You never know, send me have an interview, but we still have to put on the show because they don't.
Oh, that is forbidden. No, you see, I don't have dreadlocks, so no hair to protect this head. Once I step off the plane, it's just gonna hit my brain first. I'm gonna have an ultimate brain freeze. No, but I don't do extreme cold. Last time was Canada, that was years ago. But still, maybe the cold is not for everyone.
Yes, so long make me bad, long make me cry, cause they don't know what I feel inside. Long make me bad.
Thank you, Creepy Crawler. Please keep the head warm. And cheers to Dutch Grow 420. Much love in the place. Full bore in the place. All on, my brother. Okay, yesterday I slammed my finger in the door. No damage. I am a tough son of a gun. Oh, LMG, I'm sorry. That is the wrong clothing wear. You're gonna have Randy wandering around in London, taking pictures, say, yay, I'm seeing this place. Well, I'm gonna be in 3 hats, 4 hoodies, 5 pants, 10 socks, and a big water boot with thermal heaters inside that. Don't worry about what I'm wearing underneath it. Bless up, Warnock in the place. Good morning, my people. Good morning, good morning. 5 tees and a hoodie. Okay. The 5 t-shirt now said nothing. A 5 t-shirt and 4 hoodie. Yeah, I remember when I was on cadet camp, right? And we were somewhere in the hills. Yeah, we were in Homewood. Homewood is like Christiana side. It's still Mandeville, Manchester, but it's at a higher peak. You literally have to go upwards more to go into that area of the parish. So we're on a camp, and it's about 4 o'clock in the morning, and we're being woken up. This is cadet camp, so we're being woken up for they call it PT, practical training. So we're there and finally getting some sleep. I haven't slept for 2 days. I was doing field craft. So 4 o'clock in the morning, finally I get that half an hour worth of sleep, got woken up. I'm like, all right, another sleepless day. As soon as I step out of my dorm room, the cool air mixed with fog hit me. You just hear from the back of the ranks, oh, when the blood clot go on, no, so somebody start a fire. may not be with the cool so easy. I'm not an angry, I'm not a happy person with cool environments. Of course, I'm moody. Yeah, if I had dreadlocks, like cool runnings, my dreadlocks would freeze off. I'm best of Phil, much love. Look here, me coach the bobsled team, but me not gonna on it. Right there on the sideline, but like, guys, feel the rhythm. You're not feeling the vibe. Come on now. Come on. Well, go on, Weed How. It's been a while. It's been a while. How you been? Haven't seen you around much. I tried adding you to the calls. It's been a while. Much love to you, Weed Hub. I hope all is well. Now let me make your mod real quick. For those who don't know, Weed Hub, they have a Facebook page, group as well. Hit them up. Great person. Listen them on, feel the rhythm, feel the vibes. Come on now, it's bobsled time. Yes, I'll be doing that on the sidelines away from the track. I watched the movie. That thing can be real. I'm not playing them games there. Give me a sec, Helix is supposed to be coming. No Helix yet. No Helix. Oh yes, I'll be that Jamaican coach on the sideline with his clipboard. Like, yes guys, no, we need my youth, shift over to the, you now feel the rhythm. Sanka, stop in my head 2 times. Make him feel 2 rhythm. Make him know what beat feel like. Busy. I get you. I came out with the chalice thing and I've been busy as hell.
When I look at where I'm coming from.
For me, I use Facebook to communicate with who I need to communicate. Regardless of who wants to be on social media, I know what my social media platform is used for. It's to communicate, it's to spread the cannabis word, show that, hey, the smoke ganja, I'm not give a fuck. So yeah, I'll land upon Facebook. Even when I was going to do the police exam, they literally went through my entire social media thing. Thank God I was a good person and decided to keep everything away. Not shipped any to the Europe yet. Haven't got any buyers. But then again, I'm gonna be shipping to the UK soon because LMG I forget feed. He gets his complimentary subscriber chalice. He's been showing mad support. A lot of people have been showing support and just having some projects being built for them. I started with the US, now I sent it off to Bermuda. We're gonna try Australia soon because I'm working with 420 Madlock. Then again, I want to show you guys if I can. But for those who don't know, 420 Madlock comes out, basically has his own bong water pipes. He 3D prints them. You can get them custom or normal. The normals go for 38, the custom goes for 60, and it's what plus shipping and handling. Really nice, really nice. Timber products. That's well, hopefully I can get it over there because it's more of a craft. That class kind of balances out. But the bamboo is well kept and everything, so no worries. Hopefully it reaches and no one wants to stop a bamboo. Jesus. I know it is a blessing. Let the eyes still is some blessing. MC Triple X, new people. Bless up in other players if I haven't shouted you out already. This is the Randy Gaston live stream where we're streaming right from Jamaica. We're in Mandeville, Manchester, Jamaica. Kind of cool, but not cold. I'm not experiencing no snow in Jamaica. I'm just having a good time. Morning cup of tea, and this is actually ginger lemon tea. A company known as Grace here in Jamaica. We make tea bags, so if I go and get to drink tea, it's gonna be like a ginger and peppermint. Not like the natural, just freshly pick one, but it's really good. And by the way, guys, the group, Beat Hub's Facebook thing is in the chat, is there. Go ahead, guys. Love it up. Join the group. It's really entertaining. Don't say much in the group. I just lurk. I like lurking in the group. Get to see a lot of stuff. Remember Chalice? Chalice still but it's soon started up. You wanna make sure when the helix come, the shaky warrior come, stop off in the middle of the morning, make your shakiness run away. Best up lit tea in the morning. Morning to you, my brother. You don't have Grace? Maybe I need to send you a box of Grace ginger tea. Monday is the start of the week for most people, so bless up on the Monday. Hopefully the week is as blessed and amazing as it should be for you. Hope you have a great week. This is the start, Monday. I woke up, got the missus out, was taking a walk, heard that there was an accident. No one seriously injured, but bruises here and there. But just gotta be safe, gotta be vigilant, and ensure that we're in the best care. We move with job, we move with the blessings, positivity, and love always. So with all the negativity in this world, let us shun it away with love and love always. Bless up to everyone. By the way, for those who were at the sesh yesterday, the Sunday sesh, how was that? You think I should do that on a Sunday, just come on live and play reggae music for a good 2 hours? It's something I tried out. Wasn't doing much talking, it was just me playing music. How was it for you guys? Hey. And since LMG start me up with the gigs, yes, I would be walking around listening to the UK artists that I know, wandering around in this country. And one thing about me, I like wandering. I don't like going off of a set plan of time. I'm like, okay, let me experience the moment. But if I have somewhere to go, I'll definitely be shooting there like a bullet. Anyway, wandering around the UK, just, I'll be padded up though. I'll be just walking like enough sweaters to save my life.
Why listen? Nine, let the boy listen. Man, a ride with a 79. Why listen? Buck a ride, why miss it? Yeah, we come, while mission. Yeah, beat toast, why skip it?
We'll do checking it out right now, that bro. Killy.
Yeah, one difference.
Hey.
Old school up in the last missions. Yeah. Old school, I still 9 pictures. Yeah. Old school niggas couple wild sisters. Man step back and made a wide distance. 9 time a nigga ride vicious. Yeah. White pictures. Yeah. White slippers. Yeah. Chest game a nigga slide bishops. This is big business. Little off the top, but that's a quick skimmage. At hard, but you're a bit timid. I'm just waiting on the big finish. Straight jeans, we got fit skinny. She wanna lean up, punch, I grab a quick Guinness. Bare back, I got the big Jimmys. Popcorn on with the sick killies. Yeah, they kill you, never kill a dog. I mean, they kill up you with the spinner dog. Man, I kill him, man, I kill a man, I sin a dog.
That's true. I wonder if he's gonna get lost for like 4 hours again. Call about a couple minutes after 10. More likely 15 to 20 minutes. He's more likely nearby, hopefully, and not lost for 4 hours again. Jesus, one of the worst warriors to send out on a mission. Don't send out a shaky warrior on a weed mission. Don't let them go for the kush. They will be lost. Then you have to find them. Ten warriors like me, real General Shinobi, real ninja. Go in, come out, get the weed, nobody know, and just come up on the block and sing praises. Easy to get lost on the road you travel daily. No. The most happens with me with the road, I just enjoy the scenery. I take my time. I get lost. There have been moments where I have been lost. I'm not gonna lie. Like for my birthday, I think it was my 21st birthday, I went to Kingston for a day. I was chilling with the guys. It is my 21st or 22nd birthday. Well, I went back to Kingston and I booked a hotel that I've never been to. So I'm there having to look for this hotel. I'm like, shit, I'm lost. Lo and behold, I just took out Google Maps and I was literally there, had my knapsack, my little traveling bag, put that down, and I'm there, Google Earth mapping out, like, okay. I'm just looking over, looking at street signs, and it took me about 15 minutes to reach the place. But now I can find it in under 5 minutes.
These MCs and rappers wanna chat about their syllables and their multis and their similes. All that shit that I can't prove with my ABC. Yeah, girls and none like Jamie's deep. Just when I see me on street, I was rude boy like crazy deep. All you man that wanna do me, I'm a bad rude boy.
Man Don't Care, JME featuring Gigs. Not bad. Bombard. Listen, I come at UK. When I come at UK, I'm not coming. Meet the artists them. Listen to their music. There's a different flow, a different vibe, and I like it. Man don't care about who that. Cause man don't care about who that. Cause I'm the most immediate, he's just old school idiot. We do local things, but we be the local geezers. Stick with my list of friends if you hold them up with tweezers. You manage to leave them white, yeah, we be the most cool dealers. She's lighting up some senses, she's lighting up amnesia. I'm about to get it started, I'm about to get amnesia. I'm about to have to move up, go, I'm about to touch Louise's, yeah. Cause at the top it's just us and we'll have to all the reasons. I'm not the hardest, just let me confirm it, lovers. Just have to be Herman's burners. I'm back in it, burn the furnace. I'm back with big burners, that's my spot, I'm back with that permit. No man! Back in it, burn it, Friday shit, I'm back in big permit. UK, I want one. I'm not going too hot. You need to come over UK and drop some lyrics. Then again, not starting up no music career. No music career. So this was by Dutch Crow, Mungo's Hi-Fi, and Eva Lazarus, Life. Live My Life. Not bad. Hey.
Why the Betty? Why the Betty? Craft in a barrel and I'm over it, forget it. Too much people can see, moving like a frenzy. Say it when you like, I got the tension that's ready. They chat too much, chatting too loud. Tell the world business, people running up the mouth. I like your friends, shopping the night. Some people.
Okay, Lemon, we need to talk. Okay, I wanna meet Skepta. You tell him say I'm a Jamaican fan. And Jamie, like his flow. Yes, Skepta blow up. That's what happened. His talent finally reached recognition. I actually heard about Skepta 3 years ago. And I ain't gonna lie, when I'm in the mood to listen to some UK rap, Skepta is one of the first I actually click on, actually having a playlist. But best of the artists, them UK, worldwide, in the States, everywhere, just promoting their talent and their art. Much love for that. Not a bad song indeed. Loving that, Dutch Girl, loving that.
I've never been in marquee when it's shut down, eh? Trust me, daddy.
Some Skepta in the place now.
Hey, when it's shut down, that's
not me and it's shut down. Ring, pussy, it's shut down. Fashion week and it's shut down. Went to the show, sitting in the front row in the black tracksuit and it's shut down. Touch the road and it's shut down. Boy, I know and it's shut down. Yeah, take time if a man won't try me, no time. You say, but when I run up on stage, I pick up the mic and it's real time. Don't know your songs, but they know mine. That's why I've got gigs just like Joe Grind. After the show, I'll be rolling mine. Don't care about the no smoking sign. They try to steal my vision. This ain't a culture, it's my religion. God knows I don't want to go prison. But if a man won't try me, trust me, listen. Me and my G's ain't scared of police. We don't listen to no politician. Everybody on the same mission, and we don't care about your ism and schisms. Cause it's shut down. That's not me and it's shut down. Ring, pussy, it's shut down. Fashion week and it's shut down. Went to the show, sitting in the front row in the black tracksuit and it's shut down. Touch the road and it's shut down. Boy, I know and it's shut down. You wanna act like a G for the camera. You say you're Muslim, you say you're Rasta. Say you don't eat pork, don't eat pussy, liar. You're just an actor. Blood, you're not on your beam. And if Selassie I taught you, he would say, blood, take off the red, gold, and green. Them and the soft just like ice cream. See, start moving correctly. If you don't wanna upset me, you get me. You should have shown me a friendly. I told you before the shit don't impress me. I bet I make you respect me when you see the man them selling out Wembley. No beat when I blacked out Bentley. When I sound like what I want to sexy. Yeah, and it's shut down. That's not me and it's shut down. Ring, pussy, it's shut down. Fashion week and it's shut down. Went to the show, sitting in the front row in the black tracksuit and it's shut down. Touch the road and it's shut down. Boy, I know and it's shut down.
Shut down, Skepta. Real Badman, UK Badman. This is DEE Shenanigans. Sent in by LMG.
Come on, keep it real. Then my leg don't keep it real. Then my come like it real. I come move like I'm unreal. Then my leg love painting plans, but then my leg don't stick to the deal. Then my wanna drink all the drink and go missing when it comes to the real. Then my leg love painting a care, but then my leg ain't behind the wheel. Then my leg love talk about care, but then my leg ain't got my skill. Then my leg love talk about care, but then my leg never had one skill. Then my leg ain't got no skill. Then my leg ain't got no skill. All I know is rep for the power. All I know is rep for my sister. All I know is
And Helix is here.
I keep that shit at the camera.
What's up? Bless up, everybody.
Oh my God. I'm gonna need talk and tap that. And if you don't want to just tap that, move to the bar and tap that. So I told tap that. I might do this thing and then tap that. Yeah. So go hold on and tap that. Go to the and then tap that. So I he knows what I'm to the
Yeah, the UK artist from man like Helix.
No shaking this, everybody. What's up?
The man just found in. Yeah, told you, took about 20 minutes to Mark.
Alex, Jamie, Ditch. They need to stay on Monday, but they want to talk to them.
Alright, good.
Let's not see it.
No cigarette, we can go.
First, they leave me.
I can allow it once in the room.
It's my smoke. It's my first smoke for the day, people. Believe me.
Really?
Yes.
No Mary Jane?
I had no one Mary Jane. It was a small Ziggy. It was just a Ziggy. It was just a Ziggy.
Okay, Ziggy. What we call a Ziggy is a very small Smith. Yeah, it can use as a toothpick.
Yes. But we still get a lot out of it.
Yeah, there was an accident on the road that time.
And I heard that's not it.
Yo, it was actually a head-on collision.
Yeah.
It fucked up. First thing in the morning, yo.
Police man look for ID, no?
Lol.
Lol. Cabo fuori in Dinamani per il sonno.
No, you know the fuck up thing is? The female in the passenger seat? The airbag didn't save her ass.
Oh, she's dead.
No, she's not dead. She just ran her face and the windscreen kissed it. And it's a top part, so she was literally launched upwards. I've been doing work, I know. We got bumped onto higher girls and stuff. I can do it today, but I don't eventually do it for this time. That's what it's like. That's over.
I checked that. I looked at that.
How long?
She's speaking quite nicely.
Really, Lemon G? Yeah, man. Look here, the last time we sent you out for nice. And we have to come for you.
We sang that, Lemon? Close song, right? Going underground, why aren't you going
Underground shot. Look here. Sorry for pause this, but yeah, I've been watching Underground. It's a series about the Underground Railroad. Oh, man. Yeah, we're gonna stop that soon. It's a series about the Underground Railroad, and I'm liking it. It's bringing back the overall history behind how slavery went. And tonight, if I was a slave, I would have to kill me upon the first gun, my bad broke.
Yeah, that did.
No, my bad broke. That's at the least. If they ever put me on a tobacco farm, would be that slave there. Instead of picking tobacco, I say, yo, massa, look here. You got this plant right here. I'm going to give you a different plant that you can mix with it. When you look, we bring him across one other field where you never know something I cultivate. When you look at beer ganja, beer weed. This is called cannabis, massa. This and the tobacco, they can go in one.
They can make you feel happy.
They make you feel more than happy. We're not putting no cut, we don't take this thing for.
Slavery done.
Slavery done. None of that right here. The only thing I slave out upon is a weed plantation where I grow my good ganja.
That is slavery. That is slavery I will enjoy.
Okay, yeah.
Enjoy it.
Slave upon the plantation, slave upon the farm there. Oh God. And when we done reap and say yes, we're going to sit down and smoke the product. We're going to smile.
You got it.
Yeah, they're coming on nice. I got 2 more weeks.
Yes.
Yeah, my Christmas present. Plus I got a purple skunk running up. That started blooming. That hit veg quick, no fuck.
Put deep on it.
No.
How?
I built the soil. Oh. It's been eating.
One day we could get Chris to get that up.
So, we'll play the next song by Dutch Grows. Then we're going to play the next one from LMG. Betty Crocker, welcome Betty. Much love to you. Betty, need to hit me up, please. It's been a while. We need to talk. Yeah, we have some things she run with the Jamaican. Yeah, it'll be a nice thing to set up.
Okay, that's good.
About wheat plantation so wrong. Hey, I said I'll be that one slave that instead of picking tobacco or picking sugar cane, that grow weed. So again, the mass of them know some weed for fun. Oh. I don't want to just stay about fun. Either that we're going to rebel and kill. They're going to have so many wildfires to come from.
masquerade, get the body back. None can take it out of that song. Life be come on, tear it down. Copy the show with the life is song. You know it's endless, so we set it down. Life we do the dance and then we kill it up. Feel it, take it fire on the life, on the rhythm, on your feel it down. So, get a wheel up, yeah, you know this. Hold on back, you know we can't do
But this thing on the roadside, fuck. Anytime you see me on stage, man, I don't think they don't know what it is. Everybody gotta jump around my type. Without participation, fam, like. On the thing that the dance is going. Get with your ears, I run my ride. Coming straight out the 90s, ain't no fights. He's gonna be a the same as the boring type of a corner's nice. When the floor gets ready, the sea is red. Yo, I'm with a G, no
Come on, Jamaica, I'm going to have a crowd of yo. Oh, okay, ready it again. Oh, man. Let's up with that song here, that's true. Duppy from Skepta. Skepta, one song here, Duppy. Listen, we're going to go UK. We're going to go UK. Don't worry, we sip tea already. We're sipping on the tea. You drink coffee, I drink
I drink coffee. Coffee checks me.
So we know it's coffee.
That's why you be happy. You're listening from now on away.
Sure.
Jesus, God, friend.
Right.
You're so be careful. You know when you see
Bro, it was right in front of you. I took it up. I finessed it.
yes.
And tonight, then again, next year is the year of traveling. I'm gonna put some stamps on my passport, see if I can touch the UK. So if you see one shot, brother man, I say bomber clat. I want show, I want club and me. Because when I love music.
No worries when all of us go out.
Right there in the UK, they're all over, wandering around.
Getting weed and smoking and farting.
Living life. I don't need to party to live life. I could be on a bridge, just smoking, I'll be happy. What a phone indeed.
That's all I think about.
Yo, that can dodge and black bullet.
Running the top like boss, so the one that phone up and down. You know, that quit out on the second before I get chopped. One more clap, yeah, I don't want to try it out. Yeah. I know I'm a rock. Like boss, so the one that phone up and down. Yeah, that quit out on the second before I get chopped.
It's not hot.
One more clap, yeah, I don't want to try it out. It's not hot. Check how many that check in the box. Nobody leaves much check in the box. Anybody leaves that check in the box. Watch your tongue, pick that nigga, sit your drum. Say you bust your gun, no one's dead, suck your mum.
Oh my God.
Catch this shit with play.
Man, tell them to suck your mother.
Big time.
Suck your mama. In Jamaica, that is a suck your mother. Oh, we need this.
Watch your tongue, pick that nigga, sit your drum. Say you bust your gun, no one's dead, suck your mum. Shit is fake. Catch this shit with play. Catch this shit in the cinema. Wrapped in fuse like Drake. Fuck that you, fuck the pop, punch like who? Either way, get whole chuck at you. Fuck that's what I call dump, use man's nice crabs. Man looking at man's eyes, spies. Man get dog like my clients. I don't got man that like violence. Got 10 balls, got dry fires. Pop up that short like mines. Man got food like life fires. So much shots like white fires. Crept is this, crept is that, crept take off, crept is cat, crept got hair, crept still got plats, but I made 100 grand last week plus that. Say, don't act up, man, know who we are. He's from the map, all ends gone clear. Have a long way from the fence to the real. Outside the drugs, man, doing IKEA. All these rappers, I'm setting like, all this shouting, I won't let it slide. You know me, come collect your wife. She LD like 6-7 times.
Man, no time, man, run. Run up in the chat like, well, so I wanted that fool up in here. Yeah, that's where I'm going to take you for a get down.
idiot. Long box up.
Yeah, that's where I'm going to take you for a get down. Don't want to try to run.
They talk about boys yesterday. Bumped your chest like skeptic chain. Are you listening? Watch glistening. Don't believe me, go check the tapes. Case thrown up, they ain't got no proof. Phone up, bro, he ain't got no moves. Drop game in, they ain't got no proof. Call him up a bunch. Give him up your seats. Through my cousin and run, yeah, I come from the tons. What we start with the money. Cause my brothers are hungry. You better run to your mum. Me, my girls will bloody. You stuck up the bloody. Don't get fun up, you lucky. Can't give me up, you love. No, you was on beat, I was doing runs. Yo, like fuck me, bro, that's pain. Trying to open the box on the day. Little bit of ink, that's a mile. We're taking the food in the life. That's a mile. Like China.
Yeah, man. The money in the
Jamaican wife.
Man, they get sent back to Jamaica every summer for go raise goat with the granny.
Yeah, man, and just learn the Jamaican ways and stuff.
Really?
Of course.
But I still have to play about the song. It's too hot. It's too hot. We're going to play Duppy by Skepta next, but this have to run back.
You can't find sleep. This is
That's good. You're going to get super big. There's supposed to be no seats.
Alright.
Right here, I get good weed from there. Like, you might listen to me. So every time I go to Ratty, I talk about ganja, say, oh, make sure say you don't get the one that without no seeds. So that's.
In a good way, only positive that I was stars no phone me. Man, I live as off my only speaker. Attacking the bitch, you got hold me. Yeah, get the trigger little deeper. Let's swim forward, keep to the evil. You can't make some up in that fever. Whether you want to eat, whether you a teacher. Young, so I get my show. Yeah, I put my hand when I meant to like that. The time out when I ain't spoke, because I'm up and off in the open zone. See my show with the Cowboy style. Ducks to the future, ducks to the 90s. One stick when I do this Mikey. Some stick when I make this mighty. Shit, hold down the audience. See the signs of pride, it's enormous. It's 5 minutes already joking for the big side, a big fat performance. Shit, man, I do it around. One season, this is for the crowd. One season, the time when I was doing it before, I took it down bounce. Shack out in the line, can't one day, let's not shut my mouth. Put down in the Bristol to out, big check round and rinse it out.
Watch out, better than that. Come on your walls with a heart attack. Step throw it in the body back. None can't take the time. Come on with Terry down. Come read the show with your life this song. You know it's endless fun. We set it up.
Can we not start a music career and I can't go on with that? Let's stick to the roots for a while. Premium Jamaican tobacco. Say that.
No Pisces, wanna be a Leo, just say my name. The boring type of a coolest nights when the floor gets hype when I see it red. Yo, I'm with a G, no drive-by. God, no nothing. But I'm not sitting like a I'm a running, you don't know this. I just feel like I'm the answer to this. That's when you gotta talk with the last bit. Then you're about to rock with the music. Then you're the best of a plastic. And I feel like this. So this is a rat skin. We don't sit on my neck. We don't rock with the confidence. But they pull like I get talent. Run it up with the girl like that. Smoke it up like a heart on my leg. Pick them up like Chuck Norris. I think I'll get me. Lick it in the skin.
I see struggle.
This is the darkest thing here.
This is the darkest thing I've seen in a long while.
Watch out, better than that. Come on your walls with a heart attack. Then I'm throwing the body back. None can take the other than some. I speak from the very down. Come read the show with a live song. You know it's
so I started to Bobby Nine. I started up more money.
Yes, and what's going on with the church?
It's empty. No one is there. The video, but no one is there. The practice and but no one is there.
Okay.
You don't tell me a price, so you know. So.
No, it's just I think they're fixing up something, but if they're gonna be there when another, I want to do a live stream down there, so I'm gonna see if I can set it up. I don't know who's working down there, running down there, so it's all proper set. I don't want no interference. Like it was the first time to try it now. That's swimming down there. Yeah, roller stick me a load of chalice. Oh, Jesus.
Oh, yeah. Try yourself, my brother. This is really good.
Pass Buckingham. Buckingham chalice. And we're good to go.
Ladies and gentlemen,
So, Skepta, Duppy.
Jamaican full of them.
I'm doing it again. They tried to stop me, but I'm doing it again. Yeah, I'm doing it again. Boy, better know I'm doing it again. I'm doing it again. They tried to stop me, but I'm doing it again. Yeah, I'm doing it again. Boy, better know I'm doing it again. Tiger. You better know I'm the tiger. Tiger. I'm still doing this thing, and you can't get a thing with tiger.
No, that went straight to the head, yo. Also, remember, guys, for those who are interested in the chalice, share it. Like everyone knows, chalices are available. That hits went straight to the head. Sent out about what? Think about 4 chalices that sent out already. 1 natural, 2 painted, and sent giveaway to that remember.
But nobody took me serious. So now I'm a big man, but I'm a party. Yeah, once we get dirty, man, once we get dirty. He went out, roast man, like dirty. I'm a big man, but I'm a party. Yeah, once we get dirty, man, once we get dirty. He went out, roast man, like dirty. It's pussy again, fuck it twice, penalty again. The one I war with pussy again, but I told you before, it's pussy again and again. It's pussy again, stop it twice, penalty again. The one I war with pussy again, but I told you before, it's pussy again. Them can't walk the walker like me, them can't talk the talker like me. Big bad man, boss man, birdie. I see you what you shout to me. Them can't walk the walker like me, them can't talk the talker like me. Big bad man, boss man, birdie. I see you what you shout to me. Let's go. Yeah, man, I'm there, man. Who's saying that I can't play there, man?
Here's my project.
This is what you said to me. Yeah, man, I'm there, man. Who's saying that I can't play there, man? Tell me everything that's like I'm up there, man. Some chick like don't be no bro, but keep it real like fish and play close, hate those. Anyone just
You're going to change up the flow a little bit. Jump back to the Caribbean for a brief moment or 3. No. Listen to the words.
You back up, you got me saying that I want you back, and I can't do without you. You know that I feel you got me, you sativa. Girl, you got me playing without visa.
And the part they catch me, I was in a taxi coming home. I mean, I hear this up there, I hear sativa. the pass up and say, wait, do I break soca weed, son? Fuck that. I'm the only one laughing and enjoying the song in the text of the car. I'm singing about weed and nobody knows.
So they are your things.
Okay, I'm an original weed, man. Look how everything is set. My hand is perfectly aligned. One strike upwards. See? And it's so comfortable. Cheers! Hey. Black Roots and Colors in the 80s. I think we're too young to know about them things here. We're still in our 20s, people. So we have to educate us from time to time. No shakiness. Burn it away. Now, once you just have on fire. No, man, it's not hot, man. It seems. Be careful. Now, honestly, the only thing I'll tell you is stop. Drop the road. That's so much.
Burns. Yeah.
I love you. Sit down. See? Everything's so perfect. Gotta find something else and stuff this way. Oh God, Carnival coming soon. Like next year is the start of Carnival season. Mandible Carnival, Louis Carnival, Bacchanal. Bro, we're filming. There's been some more people with GoPro and both either fan them. The GoPro is supposed to aim down and said ass shit. Carnival in Jamaica, this is what it is like. Let's up Hollywood Solo, my brother.
What's up, bro?
They're gonna fix it. I'm gonna roll that.
Drink champagne when I just see. Never could see anything I never see. They say this how I am so rough. But I can't keep all around me family. No, no bad night, but I just stop it. I can be sure I find it just me. I'm so lovely. Oh,
No, she's done. I've been trying to see notifications and it keeps standing out. Med train.
You see my YouTube is actually at 59 subscribers.
You better push content. I want to do a training course. Weird. Cultivating fitness.
No long talk when we come to wine. When we come to wine, guys. No long talk when we come to wine. When we come to wine,
So these fingers are working. Just give them time.
I'm not worried about them. Regarding anything, what I'm going to do is do my part. You're not complaining about it. Everything started.
Expect to see personally.
You don't see the effect of the cloud.
Yes. I have followed it, but don't worry about it. Nigga, share the weed.
It was actually a pigeon looking over at me.
Share the weed. You want us? She understand. I have a picture of logos where he said they were going to turn to look like you want to kiss me. Yes. Yes.
Animals are stoners too.
Yes. Monday morning, we are frost. Dutch. We're getting there. Frost. There's a difference. You're getting slower, starting getting frost, then you're high, then you want to continue to get high.
Yeah, we're just here enjoying the Monday.
More weed, hashtag more weed.
Hashtag more weed, yes.
More ganja. Mainstream it, Lamanji over mainstream it. Me and you go mainstream. Watch.
When you don't listen to him, you don't listen to him. Okay, I'm gonna do something wrong. If you're dead, come on, my lover, and everything.
Why?
Yeah, man.
Why?
I'm gonna take a photo.
Again?
It whacked me the first time.
I know, I saw that.
I took it and then my body was like renewed. I waited the oh God.
No long talk when we come to wine. When we come to wine, wine. No long talk when we come to wine. When we come to wine, wine. No long talk when we come to wine.
Do you know the definition?
Yeah.
You know, here we live streaming. You got bro time later. Always a Baba in your life. Could not even be related by blood, but
We know each other too long. We know each other too long.
10 years.
11.
11? No. When did I move up? I moved up to 6. Yeah, it would be 11 years. Moved up to 6, but I met you officially
In a full
7. So it's 10 years.
You're done.
Oh, gee. Stop reminding me.
Please, come on.
Yeah, so
The
11.
really showing you, the plans are showing. And you know it burn you too. It burns you.
But yeah, just yesterday I was saying Happy New Year to 2017.
This was it. You know, make a start it. Let me start saying, man, last year, when I want to say,
And since you're being my best friend, you I
every day since 2017, I've been high because of this man, ladies and gentlemen.
embrace it. So triple chalice here.
This one.
Now we're gonna use this for clean burning.
Okay.
I get myself prepared. I'm not sure man turn and I'm going to
Do this on me. Yeah.
perfect song because I might be falling down after this. No shakiness.
Unlock your backside for me call it bombard. Please. No, I'm serious, Randy.
Want to take a picture?
Unlock the phone, Randy.
Good.
What's the number?
Good, my God, number 1. No shakiness.
You don't want to take a picture, I'm saying. What did you picture? What did you picture?
Man's steel.
I know. Wait. Okay. Man, not hot.
Triple chalice here, people. And because my body, I'm going to do another one. Oh, with the triple chalice here, all I do is just release this 3 times. Just take big. I'm ganja, I'm the ganja man. Part of my DNA is now THC, people. Thank you. Part of my DNA is now THC. Lemon blames me for being the #1 UK rock. Look here,
Yes,
in the world.
yes, I tell you. Listen to me. When Randy influences you, you will get influenced.
Oh,
He's a great person to be around, man. I'm telling you.
no, man, was blowing up long before. Oh, no. Randy down.
Control.
Don't worry, I still roll ganja with this thing, but
Live as a bat. Roll it, yes. No ganja.
I don't think I can add the video. I'll do it later though.
Can you with your hands up?
I'm for ganja, remember?
Yeah.
That's that what you want.
No, I want to see the ganja. That's nice.
Then I'll show you the ganja.
Oui, Guinea.
I don't know, my head spinning like. Go on, triple chalice here.
Keep me in the chalice, fam.
This is the group. You want to put a little bit more in there.
I wanna take a little piece of that. Just give me permission to walk you. Cause anyway, girl, I don't want to walk you. See, I'm telling you, baby, see where you behaving. When you whine like that, then nobody to stop you. Oh Lord, I wanna go down below. Never seen a waist like the run below.
Don't worry about that. We're going to do the 3 times. I'm sure you're used. Triple chalice hits. I'm going to light it up for you. You should pay attention to releasing this 3 times. So it's 1, 2, 3. Remember, pull. Use the love.
I know this.
Right, it's hot. Do the pull and triple.
Just keep the thing going, feeling like we're floating. I wanna jump in the ground, but I don't want to rush it. Oh Lord, oh girl, I wanna go down, go down. Never see the waistline, go down, go down. Come to the baseline, you got
You know how to
This is stuff that is easy.
It's not, I like using my food. Look at this. I'm sorry, I'm a drug. Alright, the triple release. Now give it a moment and it's going to kick you up.
And wait for it.
I'm just trying to get up.
No, why?
I'm just trying to move.
No, I don't need to. I'm comfortable.
I wanna take a little piece of that. How you bad so? How you bad so? How you rude so? That bumper is too real, it's dangerous. I wanna mind what it looking dangerous. I wanna mind what it looking dangerous. I just want to grind on you, girl, it's too real, it's dangerous. I wanna mind what it looking dangerous. I wanna mind what it could be dangerous. I just want to grind on you.
What's the last number?
10:31.
And you are
How long we've been going? We're going for an hour. So guys, we're gonna get some work done. Much love for being here. Bless up from Jamaica. Peace and unity to all. Love always. Remember, you guys are always special and loved. You're the greatest thing that was created on this earth. Go out there having a great day, great week. Much love from Jamaica.